Hey guys, welcome to Homework Codes. We're going to have a bunch of tutorials on Python, and this video is going to be the introduction. Python is a powerful language and it is very easy to learn. And Python is interpreted, interactive, and object oriented. So interpreted, which means it is processed at runtime. No need to compile the program before the execution. And interactive, we can write Python commands in a command line shell. So where we can get the result of each command then and there. And yes, of course, it is object-oriented programming language. Python was introduced in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum defined the below goals for Python. An easy and intuitive language just as powerful as major competitors. Open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. Code that is as understandable as plain English. Suitability for everyday tasks, allowing for short development times. These are all the data types which Python supports: numbers, string, list, tuple, dictionary. So, and these are all the examples for each data type. This is for number, and this is for string, and this is for list, and this is for tuple, and this one is for dictionary. And this is the sample Python file. So the Python files will be having the extension .py. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll see how to install Python and how to write Hello World program using Python.